You are watching Caribbean Vibrations TV, coming to you from the beautiful island of St. Lucia. We're at the Harbour Club, and I'm speaking with the general manager, Lester Scott. How are you doing today, Lester?
I'm well. Welcome. Welcome to the Harbour Club, St. Lucia. We're happy to have you.
We're so excited to be here. The place is spectacular. So tell us some about the unique amenities of the property.
Harbour Club is special. You know, it's the only lifestyle hotel in St. Lucia. It's 115 rooms, 7,000 square feet of flexible meeting space. We do an amazing job of providing personalization of service, taking your events and catering it and tailoring it to your liking. So whatever you're looking for, whether it's a private wedding at Pigeon Island or whether it's a boardroom meeting that overlooks the beautiful marina here, we do a lot of jobs of creating these tailored events for you.
How long have you guys been open?
You know, this is going into our second full year, so it's going to be an amazing season coming up. We're very excited to introduce all of our new offerings for our second season.
Now, it seems that where you guys are also located, it's the spot for Carnival.
You know, Carnival is such an amazing time in St. Lucia, and Harbour Club has positioned itself to be the mecca for Carnival. So absolutely, it's a wonderful location, great time to be here. So we look forward to having you all here next Carnival.
Now, Lester, is there anything else you'd like to tell our Caribbean Vibration viewers about the Harbour Club and the beautiful island of St. Lucia?
You know, the beautiful island of St. Lucia is special from so many aspects. It's definitely an outdoor paradise, but the New Year's Eve party here at the Harbour Club is going to be so special. It's going to be world famous. So we're looking forward to launching those and getting your audience down to have a good time here.
So thanks so much, Lester.
You're more than welcome. Thanks for coming.
My pleasure. Now, don't forget, we're near the beautiful island of St. Lucia. The place you gotta check out is the Harbour Club. Whether you want to stay here or take in some amazing restaurants, this is the spot. And you're watching Caribbean Vibrations.